Okay, so for this video, we're going to find the derivative of h of x as e to the x times the sine of x. And for this problem, we're going to use the product rule, and that product rule is where we take the derivative of the product of f of x times g of x. And that rule is the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So for our problem, we're going to have e to the x be played by f, and we will have our g of x be the sine function. So for us, when we find our derivative, h prime of x is going to first be the derivative of our exponential function. So that's d dx of e to the x. That's now multiplied with our second function, which is still just plain old g, which of course is the sine of x. Then that's going to be plus first function, which is just e to the x, times the derivative of the second function, which is a derivative of the sine of x. All right, so now we can take these derivatives, and we get h prime of x as the derivative of e to the x, which is its own derivative, stays the same, times the sine of x, plus back here we have the e to the x. Derivative of the sine function is the positive cosine function, so that is our derivative. People find it very helpful to often factor these if possible, so that's e to the x times the quantity sine of x plus the cosine of x. And that is the derivative of our function h using the product rule.